Yo, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Reaction TV Official mga kapatid. For every reaction, there is a reaction mga kapatid. So yun, puntahan naman natin ang channel ni The Darkest Secret. My God, tagal natin na ba? Maganda itong mga kwento ni Leonor Clay, ano ba? Pangalan nito? So, upload niya ito 2 days ago mga kapatid, ano? The 7 incredible paranormal video that you will have time explaining. Oh my God. So, let's go. Panoorin natin ito mga kapatid. Handa na kayo manood? Panoorin na natin. Sabay-sabay na panoorin itong video ni Leonora Clay. The Darkest Secret. Let's go. Pasok. Pasok, Leonora Clay.
It's very odd.
Ayan, oh.
Its events are very unusual.
Very
I'm referring to
unusual.
frequency of occurrences. This is why sometimes getting real recordings is so hard to come by. However, thanks to the hundreds of emails that you send me every week, the job of finding it becomes much easier. And as a result, this video exists. A set of recordings so different and so strange that you will have a hard time making sense of them outside of the paranormal field. So stay with me. My name is Leonor Clay,
Ayan.
and this is
Leonor Clay.
The Darkest Secret.
The Darkest
Today we
Secret.
present 7 incredible paranormal videos that you will have a hard time explaining. Number 7.
Number 7.
We start this video with the strange footage recorded by a man who one night had a gathering at the entrance of his home with friends. As the night had just begun, they stood near the gate of the house where his vehicle was, in which they began listening to music at full volume and socialized among themselves. In that instant, one of them wanted to immortalize with his phone by making
Kakaiba naman itong mga video ni Leonor Clay, The Darkest Secret, ano. Ito kasi mga video na pinapalabas niya dito, yung mga iba na video pinapalabas niya, hindi naman lahat, yung mga iba lang. Yung ini-email sa kanila ng kanilang mga viewers, ano, yung mga private videos nila. Ini-email sa kanila tapos ginagawa niya na ng istorya, no. So ito yung mga ilan lang, pero karamihan naman galing sa YouTube din yung mga video pinapalabas niya dito. So panoorin natin to kung gaano ito, kasi sabi niya galing sa viewers niya itong video na to, panoorin natin. Hindi naman lahat.
a small
Mga iba lang mga kapatid.
without imagining that something extremely strange would happen a few feet away from where they were.
Oh,
Watch.
watch. TikTok. Oh, ano yan? May maliit na ano, no? Ayun, may maliit na tao. Tao ba yun? Oh. Grabe yun, ah.
Just by looking at the figure,
Grabe.
one realizes that it is not a child, since its strange physical characteristics rule
Grabe.
out the possibility completely. Could
Grabe
it be
yun.
a leprechaun? Watch the video with the light effect and tell me what you see.
Ayan, yun. Ano ba yun? Tao ba? Grabe.
It seems to be a very small child who throws something into the home. But look at its height. He's tiny. His legs are slender. Can a child with dwarfism possess this figure?
Grabe, no?
The strange thing is that after his friends and family alerted him about this apparition, the man said that no neighbor nearby has dwarfism or any other physical characteristics. So he's convinced that what is seen in the image is not human. What kind of creature could it be?
Pwede rin.
Tell me what you think. Number
Para siyang ano yun, no? Para siyang maliit na tao na hindi ano yung paa niya, maliit din yung paa, manipis yung paa, may ulo, may katawan. So parang kakaiba, no? Kakaiba siya. Kakaiba ito dun sa mga video na napapanood natin, ano? So itong video na to parang legit ito mga kapatid, no? Tingin ko ano si tingin niyo mga kapatid? Legit ba ito? Kakaiba siya,
6. The following corresponds to an old footage that Alexis Valenzuela, one of our subscribers, found rummaging through TikTok.
Grabe.
Recorded in 1994, the scene begins with what appears to be a yacht returning from the high seas. The moment when on the horizon the camera captures the presence of what they thought were cargo ship lights. However, the zoom that is applied to the device reveals the presence of something else. Pay attention.
Afraid they're being surrounded by friggin' UFOs.
UFO? Grabe, ano?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Napaka-creepy din yan. Grabe, no? Paano kung totoong alien yan? Puta, nakakatakot yan. Pwede nila tayong sakupin ng ganun-ganun lang, ano? So, baka hindi nila alam kung talaga ano yan, eh.
We're 7 lights.
Kaya tinawag na UFO, eh. Kasi unidentified, ano ba yung unidentified UFO? Unidentified, ewan ko, UFO.
Oh, this is a big deal.
Unidentified vehicle? Loko-loko. Unidentified vehicle. Hindi.
Face with it.
Unidentified flying object. Kaya naman, yolo. Dali nyo naman maloko, eh.
The man with the camera manages to count 13 lights on the horizon.
Unidentified flying object. Yun ang
with ships,
meaning ng UFO.
helicopters, airplanes, or any other man-made device.
Pero kakaiba yan, ha?
Simple lights that seem
Hindi natin alam. Wala nakakalam kung ano yan.
as the UFOs do, that from time to time manage to be captured on camera. Could they be
Itong mic
ships
na ito,
of
mga kapatid, wala na ito.
extraterrestrial
Dito,
origin
naka-disconnect
that were
na ito, eh.
captured at that time?
Naka-turn off siya kasi
Tell
may
me
gamit
what
akong
you think.
condenser mic. Mas maganda yung mic niya. Ito naman, ginagamit ko lang to doon sa audio na pinapanood natin, mga kapatid.
5.
Ang kati ng tenga ko. Grabe. Ang lamig. Ginawa ko.
The following video
Grabe
came
lamig
from
sa
an
labas.
email thanks to Valeria Edith Bayan, a faithful subscriber who
YouTube
until
din.
now has not been able to explain what was recorded
Oh, okay.
one night by one of the security cameras recently installed in her workplace. She is the secretary of a cargo truck company where she
Wow.
assures that for some time, extremely strange situations have been occurring, especially in the place where they leave the trucks at night. Thinking that it was children or thieves who entered the facilities, they installed several security cameras in the surroundings in order to have evidence for the authorities in case they entered again. Although what one of the devices captured was something very different. Pay attention.
Ano meron? Ano yun? Wala akong makita, eh. May nakita ba kayo? Ano ba mayroon doon? Nasaan?
Do you think this is
Oh.
something minimally similar to a thief or miner? It is clearly not a person. Rather, it seems to be a
Grabe
type
naman.
of
Ang
dark
lakas naman ng
shadow
mata
or
ng mga
stain
ito, no?
that moves,
Kalahin mo na
leaving
nakita
a
pa nila
strange
yun?
trail in
Ayun,
its
no?
wake. Valeria assures that this is a
Kita pa
highly
nila.
restricted area, even for the company workers themselves. For what she assures, nothing should have appeared there. which makes this footage much more disturbing. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
Leave it in the comments.
I could comment. I don't know.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Dairot Blanco Delgado is the subscriber who through email sent me part of a documentary recorded in 1990 where he assures a strange event occurred.
Grabe yan. Tagal na noon. 1990 pa na-record. Nasa kanya pa yung video talaga.
Celebration held
Grabe.
in the Rincón de San Lazaro in Cuba. A traditional festivity that summons thousands of believers from all over the country, and that year was being documented. However, upon seeing it, what caught our subscribers' attention the most was a strange scene that appears here that, despite the years that have passed, continues to be incomprehensible. What is it about? Observe.
Ano meron? Observe. Ano meron? I don't see any. Where? May nakikita kayo mga kapatid? Wala akong nakikitang kakaiba. Unless na
Did
lang.
you notice the
Sabihin
paranormal
niya.
in this video?
Where?
Watch it one more time in slow motion.
Okay. Oh. So dumaan yung bata. Nandun pa rin yung ano.
The child's body seems to
Yan.
be translucent when it passes
Yeah,
in front
dumaan
of the
doon sa ano yun,
cameras. Do you notice it?
Kita pa rin yung kandila
How
kasi.
can this be possible? Could
Ayan,
it be a setup or an error in the image?
Hindi natin
Although
alam.
that may not be a
Ayan, oh.
possibility, I remind you that this documentary was recorded at the beginning of the 90s, a time when digital technology was just taking its first steps. What is your opinion about this?
Oo nga naman kasi 1990 nakuhanan ito ng video, no? So that time, it was 1990, wala pang gaanong hindi pa ganon katindi ang teknolohiya natin na pwedeng sabihin na natin na na-edit ito, no? So yun nga sabi ni Clay na hindi pa gaanong establish ang teknolohiya dati. So maaring hindi to editol na kininaan naman. Hindi pa to edited. Malamang parang gano'n, hindi siya na-edit or ano, hindi in-edit or to lang legit. Ewan ko sa inyo kung ano sa tingin nyo, kung ano ba ito, legit ba ito o hindi. Kasi dumaan yung bata, no, na hindi man lang siya nagalaw. No? Hindi, ano, tingin mo. Oh.
Comment below.
Dapat kung dadaan ka, matatakpan mo yun eh. Ito hindi natakpan eh. Oh. Parang yung katawan ng tao visible, ano siya,
Number
transparent,
3.
ano? Kakaiba siya, kakaiba nga. Anyway, kayo na umusga mga kapatid kung ano ba talaga ito. Kayo lang ang mga kaos ganyan mga kapatid.
Position number 3 of this investigation is for disturbing footage that recently began to circulate on Twitter and has left all who have seen it wide-eyed.
Twitter.
In the description, the user says that together with 2 other friends, they were waiting for an Uber after spending a pleasant day at the beach. Night was falling when suddenly a funny and strange
Oh,
appeared in the
right.
middle of the road. It caught their attention, so they decided to record it to upload it later to their social
Oh.
networks. To his surprise, when arriving home, a friend, alarmed, described something absolutely disturbing to him. Something in the recording of the goat. Something else had been with them that night. No one could believe it until they saw it.
Yeah. Kakaiba, no?
Ué, mano, do nada.
Ito naman, kambing. Ano meron sa kambing?
Pode, do nada.
Uy, may tao dun, no? Lo, ano yun? Ayun, may tao, oh. Kita nyo yung tao na yun, oh. Grabe, oh. Pati yung kambing, oh. Nakatingin yung kambing sa kanya, eh. Ano kaya yun? Oh. Tingin yung kambing, eh. Parang natakot, eh, no? Kaiba, oh. Ooh. Creepy. Kaiba yun, ha?
Clearly, we are not facing a distortion in the image or any other similar phenomena. Evidently, a mysterious figure can be seen staring at the camera. A being that wears a long black tunic and remains impassive without anyone noticing its presence.
Kaiba, no?
Except for the same animal that apparently managed to distinguish it.
Kaiba yun, ano? Oh. Wow.
What is this being? Why didn't anyone else see it? Could it be that only the camera managed to capture it? Questions that have invaded this
Gutom
young
na
man's
ako, ah.
social networks, but that until now, they have not found a satisfactory answer.
Grabe.
Number
Ano
2.
kaya yun? Ano sa tingin nyo, mga kapatid? Ano kaya, sa tingin nyo, ano kaya yung mga kapatid? Itong image na yan. Nananakot lang yung parang prank-prank o ano. Hindi natin alam, eh. Tuloy na natin panoorin.
It is not the first time that I
Makalam na
refer to
sigmura ako,
forests
nagugutom na
as
ako.
places that
Alas
concentrate a high number
3:49 na ng
of
hapon dito sa
inexplicable
Toronto,
phenomena.
Canada, mga kapatid. So, nagugutom na yung inyong lingkod, ano? So, malamang ito na yung last video ko para tapusin na itong video ko sa araw na ito, sa linggong ito. Siguro, kasi bukas, mga kapatid, bukas is holiday dito sa Canada, mga kapatid. So, wala akong pasok. So, maaring gumawa ako ng video bukas para may dugtong ako, no? Para mahaba-haba yung mga video ko. Pero ganun pa rin ang upload ko, mga kapatid. Isang video na lang sa isang araw. Hindi na ako mag-upload ng 2 o 3 sa isang araw, ano? Isang video na lang sa isang araw, okay na yun. Para ma-maintain ko lang yung ina-upload ko. So, meron ako in-upload kahapon na isa, yung tungkol sa trabaho ko naman yun, mga kapatid. Yun po yung routine ko sa araw-araw, mga kapatid. Paggising ko ng umaga, yun na yun. Madaling araw, magigising ka na, kakain ka, magluluto ka ng ulam mo, babaonin mo, pag alis mo, madilim pa. Pagdating mo sa trabaho, may araw na, pagkatapos mo ng trabaho, madilim na naman. Yun po yung routine ko dito sa Canada, mga kapatid. So, panoorin natin, na iba tayo doon na. Tuloy na
Because
natin to
all
si
you have to do is take a look at
Lionel
the channel
Richie.
and realize it. Although one never ceases to be surprised by what some hikers find when they go through areas like this.
Wow.
Just like the group that recorded the video you are seeing on the screen did. The youngsters were going at a steady pace without imagining that just a few feet ahead, their pace would be abruptly interrupted
Parang may
when
buhok
they
yun.
found this.
Parang buhok. Di ba buhok yun? Uy! Grabe siya, oh. Ooh. Galing naman ang pagkagawa niyan. Ooh. Grabe, oh.
They were
Ano yun?
instantly surprised because it was a tree man. Magic spells, horrible curses, was what crossed their minds
Grabe,
after
ano?
seeing this. What would you think this is if you saw it for yourself, live and direct? A bad joke? A twist of nature? Most likely, it's just a natural coincidence.
Putik, wala akong
Although the
wala akong may comment dito. Parang natakot talaga ako, eh. Ano yun? Puno na nagkorting tao tapos nagkaroon ng buhok? O meron lang malikot ang nilagyan ng buhok yung ano? Grabe, nakakaiba.
That's exactly what a witch would want you to think if they existed. Whatever its origin, you can't deny that the footage is truly shocking.
Napagod ako sa video na
Some
to.
suggest that the trunk
Parang
was so similar to a
nanglambot ako.
human form, but
Grabe
they
siya, oh.
only adorned it with some implements and a wig.
Grabe.
However, the creatives theorize that nature took possession of a person's corpse, making it part of the trunk of that tree. Do you think this is a valid alternative? Is there any other theory that explains this strange recording?
Kakaiba.
Let me know what you think. Number 1.
Kakaiba itong tong video ni Clay na ito ngayon
And we end with a very strange footage. You see, Marta Salinas is the subscriber who, somewhat concerned, wrote to my email to tell me about a video that was attached and shows a recording taken with the heatwave filter that TikTok has. At first, I ignored this footage, thinking that it would be the typical video where the ghost is produced by the TikTok filter. However, this is not the case. What happens in this clip would have been strange even without the filter. Watch the video and pay attention to all the people who appear in it.
Kakaiba, no? Ano yun? Hindi ko maintindihan tong video na to. Ano to? Ano yung gusto niyang ipakita dito or sabihin?
Did you notice?
No.
As you can see, Marta first focuses on herself,
What?
then her son, and lastly her mother, who was in the background. Although in addition to them, the device records the presence of a strange silhouette that in fractions of seconds disappears. She assures that only the three of them were at home at that time, so that presence to this day is completely inexplicable to them. What do you think of this video? Leave
Wala akong masabi dyan sa video mong yan, mga kapatid. Ano sa tingin nyo ang video na yan, mga kapatid? Ako, nahihilo na kasi ako, nagugutom na ako eh. Wala akong kakaiba doon. Pero kung ito ang gusto niyang sabihin, itong kulay-kulay na ito, effect yan ng camera eh. May mga ganyan na ngayon sa mga camera eh. Hindi tayo dyan. So yun, mga kapatid, hanggang dito na lang tayo, mga kapatid, at see you on the next one, mga kapatid. Bye-bye!